Ate. Wala pa, hindi pa bet yung Ebre. Yan, naayos ko na antagonize. Hindi siya out of stock kasi nakalagay yung cooldown niya naka 1 hour. Eh dati hindi naman niya naka 1 hour. Alam ko naka user per stream siya. Healing, no. Or andito tayo. So, unahin na natin is ito. Siyempre.
Let me read you a book. Torn to oblivion.
Bago tong mga to.
Done.
Kahit lagyan nyo ko niyan. Sige, try lang.
Illusion shattered.
Walang niya kayo, ah.
Power Gugwa.
You need to hurry up.
Sige. Ito na din unahin ko, be.
There is no escape.
Ano yun?
Now you shall perish.
This was well done.
Rain outlines your fate. Know my soul. Illusion shattered. Rain cutter.
Kung ito pa lang, hirap na ako. Paano pa yun sa account ni Jowa? Walang ka-support din yun. Puro carry. Puro DPS.
I'll settle this. Fate is upon you. Share my knowledge. Let the show begin.
Uy! Enjoy pad. Hello? Sa virgin pa ako. Da.
Get with me. Go, Barber. Hey.
Wala tayong ano. Wala tayong fire.
Delve into destiny.
Dami pala nito. Tagal ko tuloy.
I see everything.
Hotdog.
Temple of Wisdom.
Hotdog. Alis ka dyan.
Let me scribe. Our bond is strong.
May isa. Ala, wait. Nag-farm pa pala ako sa client ni Tala. Ako gumagawa ng mga pylons niya habang may lagnat siya para hindi siya mapagod. Oh! Ano ba i-farm nun? Same pa rin nung kahapon? Sabi mo kaya mo na yun. Sabi mo kaya mo na yun. Ay wow, easy. Floor 10. Same pa rin ng kahapon. Wala. Maganda lang yung buffs na binibigay. O same lang talaga lahat yan. Hindi ko rin masabi.
Rain outlines your fate. There is no escape. You're toast! Torn to oblivion.
Okay, mag-heal ka dyan, be. Ano yung heal mo? Ano walang heal? Yon, may heal. May jelly. Jelly. Hoo-hoo!
Goba, get them!
Ayan, yan. Eh! Hotdog.
Witness the power of Gugwa.
Ano?
Now you shall perish. Illusion shattered.
Gagamitin ko yan sa next. Okay.
Going in. Let's light it up. Eat this.
Sige.
Remove all obstacles. Let me read you a verse. Boba, get them! Let's light it up!
Eh, magkakasubukan na. I'll do that before end of the stream, guys. Please bear with me. Electro. Oh. Ay, bakla. Bakit ito? Ayoko nito. Hello?
Let's dance. Dissipate.
Ay, patayin niyo na ako. Patayin niyo na ako. Ayoko
Out
nito.
of my way.
Mama, kukunat to eh.
Let me scribe.
Gadgeries na nga lang.
I'll protect us. Hi. The bond is strong.
Hi, my Gadgeries. Hello? No. Hyper Bloom, please.
Shadows of fate. Let the show begin. Fate is upon you. Get with me.
Huwag niyo lang patayin yung cookie ko, no? Huwag niyo papatayin yung cookie ko. Kailangan ko si Cookie. We all need Cookie in our life.
Let me scribe. This may feel a little.
Patayin yung ano. Hindi ko masabi. Attack? Elemental Burst. Timber. Floor. Floor pa din tayo. Mamatay na yung ano.
Your journey ends here, Lord of Sand. Your sacrifice
Oh,
is
my
ready.
sword!
Let's end this now.
Torn to
Yun.
oblivion!
Ayun nyo na lahat.
Now you're testing
Ano ninyo?
Let's light it up!
Boses kayo.
Witness the power of Gugwa! There is no escape!
Makunat nyo, day.
Go, Barbara, go!
Hoy, ang laki nyo.
Make yourselves at home! Delve into destiny!
No.
Let's dance!
Hyper Bloom kayo, sige.
Get with me! Lightning terrified! Written in the stars!
Sige, patayin nyo. Hyper Bloom na. Ano yung bagal niya?
Committed to memory! The Temple of Wisdom!
Laking damage. Mga beast kayo.
Steady, go!
Alis!
Go!
Alis! Walang joke. Ito pa ang pinakayoko yung umiikot.
Go, Barbara!
Run for your life, bitch.
Shadows of fate! Everyone hold hands! Our bond is strong!
Sige. Sige.
Decided by destiny! Let me scribe!
Oh my god.